How to update YouTube on Android. If any day you are a YouTube user and you have the YouTube application on your Android device and you would like to update your YouTube on your Android device, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, that may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check you're connected to a stable internet connection, you have to find the very Google Play Store on your very mobile device. For that, you can search the Google Play Store on your Android device, or you can just manually find it by scrolling left or right. After you find the very Google Play Store, you have to tap on that. Now, after that, you have to go to the search icon, and then you have to search YouTube out there. After you search YouTube, now you can see an interface like this. Now, after you see an interface like this, and in order to update the very YouTube application, you have to tap on the option of update like this. After you tap on the option of update, now you have to wait until it reaches the 100% is, and after it reaches the 100% is like this, and when it just goes to all of those, this way the very YouTube application will be updated on your very mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.